Hi, welcome back. In this probably quite short video, we're going to address the responsiveness of the hero section. So at the minute, if we adjust the width, then not a lot happens apart from the text goes off the screen and you can't read anything. So we need to make sure that that's dealt with. The balloon, I'd like to be over here so we can see it, and just make it look pleasant, because let's face it, what's the point in having it if it doesn't? So, um, in our media query section, teeth in, I'm going to put a comment here and I'm going to say, what is it, hero section. In here, I am going to address the hero ID and I'm going to give it a min height. I'm going to have to alter the min height because obviously you can see here that it's not filling the screen, and that's because we gave it a min height last time of the height of the browser window minus the 100 pixels navbar height. But the mobile navbar height is 60 pixels, so this down here will be a 40 pixel gap if you follow me. So we need to adjust it. So calc, basically doing what the same as we did last time, by doing 100 viewport height minus 60 pixels rather than 100. Save, and there we go. We've filled in that gap. Also, I want to give the background. I want to alter the background size from cover to auto because of what we're going to do next. And as you can see, that has altered it. So we want to move the background position. Use that. And I want to do on the x-axis, I want to move it in 75% because I'm not sure what size the screen is going to be or what width the screen is going to be, but I know I want it to come down 300 pixels. And there we go. So if we did 500 there, just to make this clear, it would be further to the top. And I'm basically pulling the image up for where it would otherwise be. So if we do that, you can see that the balloon stays in view all the time, which is what I want. Good. So we move on to the slogan. So hero dot slogan. And this already has a display property of flex, so we can just adjust the direction. So flex direction. I want it on to be columned now, columnized, whatever the word is. As you can see, it's still in the center. That's because we did align item center. We did that on the hero section though, didn't we? Because that, if we look up here, where are we? So hero, and we've got align center, and because it's column, align refers to x-axis, so let's put it in the center. So we want to override that center setting in here, and we want to put align items, and we're going to do flex start, which basically means put it at the beginning of the row, like that. And that's done that to both elements within the hero section, as you would expect it to. But I'm going to give some padding to the actual slogan on the left. of 30 pixels. And margin top, I want to move it down a bit because, as you can see, move this over, it's too close to the balloon, the text. So I want to move it down a bit, but because we've already set the margin top to, what was it, 190, if we want to move it down a bit further, we need to add that to the 190. So I want to move it down a further 30, so let's make it 220. Just see how that is. Yep, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Right, so that'll pretty much do it for the slogan, and then we'll go over to the hero dot tagline. Now I'm going to make the font size 1.4, so it's just a little bit smaller, and I'm also going to push that in from the left by 40 pixels because of the text size difference. Yeah, that's fine. Margin top, I'm going to do 30, and there we go. See, now that might have pushed that text back up again. Let's have a look. I think I want to push that down a bit further. Let's do... Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that is pretty much it. So when it's on a desktop, it looks like this, and when it's on anything response, a smaller screen where the menu comes, any screen below this size of 940 pixels wide, then it's going to look like this. The balloon will stay in shot. Obviously when it gets to 360, then the width of everything isn't going to alter, so there shouldn't be anything 360 or below really, but anyway, that is how you make that responsive. In the next video we're going to be looking at the about section, so I'll see you there. Please do hit the like button, subscribe if you want to follow along with my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.